Yeah, this one's pretty bloody cruddy as well. I don't know if it's going to pick up down there, but pretty hard. I'll move into the light. See all that shit down there? Well, that looks absolutely chocolate crap. And it's pretty gruesome. But the joy of the 205 block is you've got a oil return in the block as well. But yeah, she's pretty cruddy. So 205 is a stronger block. Oil drain into block, which is good. Don't have to modify sumps. But yeah, this one's particularly nasty. Yeah. It's been sitting for quite a while. I wish I'd really caught that at the beginning, man. Shitloads of water came out of it. I mean, look at that stuff now. I'd say about 2 litres of water came out of that first. Or maybe a litre. Regular oil changes. Sitting for a while. Yeah. Fucking beauty. Yep. Look at that. Absolute gem of a motor. Far out. Yummy. Before I crank cleaned up pretty well as well. You know, that's just a quick wipe, but you can see they look pretty good. I mean, I can't really feel any obvious gouges. As you can see, this been sitting in water as well. I mean, when I drained the drain plug, there's probably a litre of water that came out of it, but as you can tell, it's had water on it. I don't think it's cooked the head gasket. I think that is just water and oil from water sitting in the sump and just managing to get everywhere it can. The oil pump, although it's been sitting in shit for quite a while, it doesn't look like it's sucked any crap up. Same with the oil pump. The oil pump was full of water and shit. There's pictures of that, but as you can tell by the body, it's not really sucked any shit into the oil system. It all looks pretty good. Same with the gears themselves. Like I say, no obvious signs of it gouges or sucking some shit around a pump. The lid's got a few marks, but I think that's just from where it's been sitting for a while. There's a tiny little gouge there, but it's not much. The pistons measure up as standard as well. I've googled K11 as it's not something I have seen before. but there's no obvious sign of wear on the skirts or around the lanyards, but you can tell it's pretty good actually. And all of the pistons are like that, they're all in good condition. Nice standard bore. So all the bores look pretty good as well, you know, there's no obvious signs of wear. They're all pretty bloody good actually. You can tell the head gasket's old as, it's been on here for forever, but no real obvious places where it could be blowing through, so there's no sign of, well, no obvious sign of blowing head gaskets. Actually, first time I've snapped the head stud ever. Bastard. But that looks all good. Now all of the bearings, they're all really good condition as well. Like these ones here are all the bottom, those are all the caps, the same with the rods, all the bottom and all the caps. One of the thrust washers does have like a bit of wear on it, but it's not much. Like these are all standard as well. All the bearings are all Ford. The markings on these, on the mains, came up as standard Ford. The big end ones are all Ford and standard. And like I say, for the state of the engine, these aren't that bad. Like this motor mustn't have done many Ks at all. If they're all factory and the pistons are all factory, then it's in pretty bloody good condition. Great for a rebuilder. And being a 205, you know, stronger, you can take them out bigger, and they got a oil return in the block if you wanted to turbo it. Pretty cool actually. Stoked. Thanks for watching.